Call history disappeared from Messenger? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you quick fixes to get it back. First, make sure Messenger is up to date. Open your App Store or Play Store, search for Messenger, and tap Update if you see it. Next, fully close and reopen Messenger, then confirm you're logged into the correct Facebook account that you use for calls. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, then check Permissions. Make sure microphone, camera, and phone are allowed. On iPhone, open Settings, scroll to Messenger, and enable microphone, camera, and any call or cellular permissions you see. Now reopen Messenger and check the Calls tab to see if your recent calls are showing again. If you still don't see call history, tap your profile picture in Messenger to open Settings. Scroll to Privacy and Safety, then look for Call Settings or Call History. Make sure any visibility or sync options are turned on. On Android, you can also clear Messenger's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Don't tap Clear Data. After clearing the cache, reopen Messenger, sign in again if needed, and check the Calls tab one more time. If calls still don't appear, it may be a server-side issue. Try logging into Messenger on another device or web browser to compare. Once your call history shows up, you're done. Save this video so you can quickly fix Messenger call issues next time.